little smart kids.
Ah! Oh no! Not that!
1 hour before the explosion. It was getting dark, the city lights are on, and our friend Handy Andy is also going home.
Hello, my friends. A couple more blocks and I'll be home. What's that? What's going on there? Hey, what are you doing? The police car hit me. Take a look at what happened to my racing car now. The passenger door and the fender are damaged. It's not good. I see that other cars were also cut off, not just me. Okay, that's it. I'm calling the police to complain. Hello? I'm registering a complaint for your police car. They're breaking the rules. They're cutting off other cars. What happened to them? People can suffer from that.
Is that you, Handy Andy? We're sorry. We have unexpected situations. The thieves who robbed the supermarket and had your friend Emmy as a hostage, they escaped. They somehow broke the gate of the detention facility and attacked the security. The thieves stole the police car and drove away. They even broke the fence at the police station. Moreover, I think now they're trying to escape from the city. We've started the investigation. We announced the stolen police car is wanted, but we don't even know where to look for the thieves.
I know where they're going. The shortest way to escape the city is across the bridge. Send all the police cars to the bridge. I'm following them.
Be careful, Handy Andy. The thieves are very dangerous and they have weapons.
I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to the bridge, my friends. I have to catch the thieves before they can leave the city. Here they are, on the bridge. Why did they stop? Something's wrong here. I should try to get closer. Where are the police? Why does it take them so long to come? What can I do alone?
We're almost there, Handy Andy. Wait, we're coming in a few minutes.
The thieves stopped on the bridge. What should I do? They will go now, that's it. The chance will be gone.
Try to follow them, however, don't get too close to them.
The thieves are leaving. Hurry up, fast! They're leaving. I'm going to check. Why did they stop on the bridge? A bomb? No way! The thieves attached the bomb to the bridge? Everything's going to explode. Oh my gosh, I have to go from here. Everyone, go back. There's a bomb on the bridge. Repeat, there is a bomb on the bridge. Ah, not that!
Andy, are you here? Can you hear me? Andy, answer me. Hello? Can you hear me? The rest of the story you will see in the next cartoon, my friends.
If you don't want to miss any new cartoons, subscribe to our channel. Also, you can click on the word like.
Friends, you can find pictures to color for this cartoon on a link. Ask your parents to print them for you.